Question number 1. Who was the second president of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option B. Sudrant Banerjee. Question number 2. How many Sikh gurus were there in India? Correct answer is option A. 10. Question number 3. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the Champaran Satyagraha? Correct answer is option B. Bihar. Question number 4. Who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre during the Indian freedom struggle? Correct answer is option A. General Dyer. Question number 5. In which year was the sovereignty of the Indian Union proclaimed? Correct answer is option B. In 1947. Question number 6. Who coined the term Harijan? Correct answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 7. Who founded the Swaraj Party? Correct answer is option B. Chittaranjan Das. Question number 8. What was the main purpose of the Khilafat movement? Correct answer is option B. To protect the Ottoman Caliphate. Question number 9. In which year was the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer is option C. In 1949. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Correct answer is option B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question number 11. Lakshmi Bai's contribution to the Indian freedom struggle is associated with which event? Correct answer is option A. 1857 rebellion. Question number 12. Under whose reign did Akbar implement the civil and criminal justice system? Correct answer is option D. Akbar. Question number 13. Who was the founder of the Arya Samaj? Correct answer is option B. The Yandana Saraswati. Question number 14. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Correct answer is option C. In 1990. Question number 15. What was the main objective of the Pune Pact? Correct answer is option C. To provide a separate electorate for the depressed classes. Question number 16. In which year was the Quiet India movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option C. In 1942. Question number 17. In which year did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose from the Indian National Army? Correct answer is option D. In 1943. Question number 18. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option B. Alan Octavian Hume. Question number 19. In which year was the first railway line established in India? Correct answer is option A. 1853. Question number 20. Which freedom fighter was known as the Grand Old Man of India? Correct answer is option C. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 21. Where did Gandhi conduct the Salt March? Correct answer is option D. Dundee. Question number 22. In which language were King Ashoka's inscriptions primarily written? Correct answer is option B. Pali. Question number 23. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 24. Which Indian leader launched the Do or Die call during the Quiet India movement? Correct answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 25. When did India gain independence from British rule? Correct answer is option B. In 1947. Question number 26. What was the primary objective of the Salt March? Correct answer is option A. To protect against the British salt tax. Question number 27. Who initiated the military line in ancient Indian history? Correct answer is option A. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 28. When did the first war of Indian independence take place? Correct answer is option A. 1857. Question number 29. Mahatma Gandhi's policy of non-violence had a significant impact on which region during the Indian freedom struggle? Correct answer is option B. Africa. Question number 30. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is option A. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 31. Which Indian leader is known as the Iron Man of India? Correct answer is option D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 32. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? Correct answer is option B. 1885. Question number 33. Which war took place during Aurangzeb region? Correct answer is option A. Battle of Panipat. Question number 34. Which road did Sher Shah Suri improve during his reign? Correct answer is option A. Grand Trunk Road. Question number 39. Who established the Vikramshila University? Correct answer is option C. Dharmapala. Question number 36. Which Indian freedom fighter wrote the book Discovery of India? Correct answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 37. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? Correct answer is option C. 1990. Question number 38. Who was the first Indian woman to become the governor of a state in independent India? Correct answer is option A. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 39. In which year was the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress held where the demand for Purna Swaraj complete independence was declared? Correct answer is option B. In 1929. Question number 40. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in response to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is option C. Non-cooperation movement.